Okay guys, finally I got time for doing FL tutorial. Yeah, today I'm going to show you how to get started with FL Studio. Using FL Studio is pretty simple and cool. Okay, let me turn off this. To start it, you just click, you just open it up, and if you open it up, then you got the patterns. This is the master limiter, and this is the tracks. Okay, you got those by clicking this button. This is for the tracks. See? And this is the patterns. And this is the piano roll. Here you got the piano roll. And hide it. And this is the browser. And the last one is the mixer. I got this on the another screens. I will take it out. Here you go, the mixer. I put it back. Okay, and the instruments. Here you got all instruments. Here you got the claps and the kicks, just like that. Okay, this is the all instruments. So here, okay, let us make disco beat. The patterns here, you got the kicks, claps, hat. To make it sound, you hold Control and click. Hold Control and click. Mark it. This is for disco beats, you know. Okay, just mark them here, kicks, and play it. And the claps, I will make this one first. Hat, it might be between the kicks. There you go. Play. There you go. And claps. There. The claps there. And I will make it like rows, you know. Okay, for rows, I will make it like that. That is. To take it off, you just right click. This sound better, I think. Okay, this is for just the example. Okay, these are all in the pattern 1. If you go to pattern 2, there's anything there. So these are all in pattern 1. Okay, you are now playing in pattern 1. If you want to play it in this track 1, then you just click there to insert the pattern 1 and play. No, it's not playing in the tracks. So you must change it to song, make it sounds. Then there you go. Now you're playing in the tracks. Now to make it more beats, go to piano roll. Right click, send to piano roll. There you go. Insert more. Sorry. I will change it like line. Insert more. more. That's it. That's it. And hold Control and Markdown and decrease it like that. Now it's gonna sound like this. Okay, now you got the beats here. Okay, if you want more instruments, then you just go to packs and let me try this one. Go to disco clap. Okay, I want that claps instead for this one. So you just drag it and drop here. Then you got the claps. There you go. So just mark it like this one and turn it off. Then you got the clap here instead. There you go. And the same way as the kicks. I'll take this one. Drag and drop here. And the same way. Or you can just make it like this. Click there and hold Control and click that kicks. Then you change the kicks. So it's gonna sound like this. There you go. Okay. And let's change it to this kick basics. Hold Control, click kicks basics. Okay, let us save this project. Go to File, Save. Go to any maps you want to save it into. I'm going to save it here. FL Studio Projects, New Maps, Tutorials, name it. Let me name it like Tutorials 1. Save. Then you got it. The projects. Okay, the next time if you want to open it, then you open the FL Studio file. Click Open. Go to the maps. The Studio, Projects, Tutorial, and Open. There you go. This is how to get started with FL Studio. Thanks for watching.